In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload email list in Freshsales Crm. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Freshsales CRM account and that your email list is saved as a CSV or Excel file. It helps if your file has clear column headers like email, first name, last name, company, or phone, because you will map these headers to fields in Freshsales during the import. From the Freshsales dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click the Contacts tab. This opens your contacts list view. Near the top of the list view, click the Import Contacts button. Freshsales will ask what type of file you are importing, so select CSV or Excel based on the file you prepared. Next, choose what you want to import. You can import only contacts, or you can import contacts and accounts. If your file includes company or account information that you want Freshsales to create or connect, choose Contacts and Accounts. If you are only bringing in individual people, choose Contacts. Now upload your file. You can browse your device to select it, or you can drag and drop the file into the upload area. After the file uploads, you will move on to mapping columns. This is where you match each column from your spreadsheet to the correct Freshsales field. For example, if your file column is labeled email, you will map it to the Freshsales field called email. Take your time here because correct mapping prevents missing data and keeps your records clean. After mapping, choose your import type. If you want everything added as brand new records, select Create New Contacts. If your goal is only to refresh data for contacts already in the CRM, select Update Only Existing Contacts. If you want Freshsales to add new contacts and also update any duplicates it finds, select Create New and Update Existing. Then handle duplicates by choosing whether matching records should be skipped, overwritten, or updated without overwrite. Use overwrite carefully, since it can replace existing information. Next, assign an owner. You can assign all imported contacts to a specific user, or map a column in your file to the sales owner field if ownership is included in your data. If these contacts have consented to receive marketing emails, check the option to subscribe contacts to emails. Only use this when you have permission. Finally, click Import Now. Freshsales will process the file, and you will receive an email summary when the import is complete. That covers everything you need to know.